we are here, and as you can see, we have purchased the domain that is it.space, and I'm going to manage this one. Let's go manage, and I'm going to create a website, but we're not going to create the website using Kobe, and this is really sucky hosting an AI bot. What we're going to do instead is create a new site, skip questions, and go to WordPress, go next, and we're going to do a WordPress, right? Create that one, and site.space is our domain. I'm just going to move it somewhere here and go next. What we are trying to do is not actually use WordPress, it's actually to try to use WordPress via Claude Code. And now what we're going to do is go to WordPress. So Notion is connected, and we can see Site is as well connected via hosting it through WordPress. It's kind of a complicated setup, but it works. Now I can daily post my blogs if I just update it on Notion, and we will start that. Claude Code actually designed the website, right? So at the moment our website is very basic. I'm not sure where my website went. Right, so this is our website at the moment. There's nothing much to do here. There is about FAQ and all. Everything will come to blog hello world. But my question is, can Claude Code redesign the website, right? Can you redesign the website? Yes, I can redesign the website. Change theme, overall hold, minimalistic and bold. Portfolio, business service. I think we'll stop here and we'll create a really detailed prompt on how we can edit the website, because we know that inside cursor we have the whole app here. So we need to this is the app, so we need to actually use this app's color, fonts, features, everything else, and then make it to our website. That makes sense. So let's feel like an artist. This is exactly what we're going to do now. We are not going to redesign or design the website from scratch. Based on my research, I have found one of my competitor. It's not actually competitor. They have stopped their whole web services right now. And what differentiates us is we have an app interface, and these guys only have a website interface. This is one of the competitors. They have like a kind of similar one, and the site looks cleaner. But this is best for our trial run, and we will just have to make a a better site on top of it, right? So I'm going to ask Claude Code, can you please scroll through this website and change the name for us as Site instead of timestamp.us. Also, what I am going to do is go to documents, go to Cloud projects, and construct AI project, and say open. Can you please go through construct AI project in my Mac located at, I think it didn't work, so we're gonna double check it, and give me just a second to copy the stuff. So what we are essentially doing here is we have our own app, which is here, which has all the dependencies, our internal framework, the internal LLM, and all of the things that we have built from scratch. But we also, what is it, Claude Code using your computer right now. I'm going to reduce it. Okay. My proposal: rebrand timestamp and Google logo update. Rename out reference, integrate with organizing, connect to cloud unifiers. Do step 1 and 2 right now. Okay, we will do 3, but we don't have anything yet, so let's do step 1 and step 2. So what we are doing is plainly copying it. How do I access the timestamp? Is it a WordPress static HTML? Do you have an admin login? Where is supposing GoDaddy? Primary scholar scheme logo, what's the pages, step integration, AI services. Never use Google search. You could use TikTok, but I think since I'm back in India, I can't use TikTok because it will be banned here. Let's say here. Okay, I'm gonna move this one. Okay. Okay. Can you please find me any AI service that copies website and can recreate HTML as CSS/React? That's all what we want to do. We need Perplexity Pro, but at the moment I have GeoSim, which has Gemini Pro. Yep. So that is one. Strongest batch is Animo, whatever it is. Let's see, build website, Adobe Figma to code. This is clone it. Let me just analyze all of this. Free trial, full site cloning, editable, clone it. So it says clone it is better, so let's clone it. Add to Brave, add extension, and what we're going to do is go back to this site. Where's my mouse? Go back to Chrome, put another thing, and so that is copied. Now let's go to Claude and say please redesign based on this info, right? So this is the whole JSON for that website, and we're just going to tell it to redesign it. Now Claude have a better perfect. Step 1 and step 2, complete the landing page. It's going to take a bit of a time, especially because it's in Haiku model. It would conserve tokens, but it would be a bit slower because it has to analyze a lot of things as well as generate it. So let's just okay, now it has done everything out, and here is the site how it should look for us. Everything is we too good, man, we too good. Now let's say push it to WordPress via hosting, please. We too good, dude. We too good. Next time deploy connector supervised authentication. Oh yes, we do that now. Right, I think tonight we need to do the Superbase. So let me just checklist Superbase authentication for site. But do I need Superbase? Superbase is already authenticated inside my app. Since we do not have a website component for us, I don't think we need Superbase. But I'll research that at the night. So guys, as you know, this is our current site. Nothing really complicated here. Actually, there is nothing here. But after some time compacting our conversation, so Claude actually have a new feature, which is like, this is like a 2 weeks of conversation. So it's actually compressing it and keeping it in the memory so it doesn't lose track of anything. It's a really good feature. It is there inside the Claude Code, which you can do in Cursor or VS Code or something like that, but the Claude desktop app doesn't have it, so they have implemented it inside as well. So it's a really good feature. Now let's just wait. It's a waiting game. Okay, I'll deploy CZ to hosting that now. Let me check things. Oh yeah, because we have created the MCP, it shouldn't have any trouble uploading the whole thing there. The Claude Code has given us the output, so let's just go back to our site, which is here. Just refresh it. This is how we steal things, dude. This is how we steal things. Everything is set. Now we need one more tab which needs blocks. So I'm going to say please create one more page from features, pricing, compare, contact. Apart from features, pricing, compare, contact, and make a page known as blogs. How easy is it for us to create a website in 2026 using Claude? That would be like a one-man's job to even understand that whole thing. But look at the time, man. It's probably in 10 minutes or something. Damn, people is going to lose so much jobs. Okay, the blog is added. Let's go back to our site. This is sitemap, and this is site C, and we gonna what happens? Blah blah blah. Okay, scroll down to see the blogs. Okay, I think we are there. Please create a blog for the site. Okay, Claude is on. It's in Haiku. Can you please give me 3 blog posts about our app? Make it SEO friendly and competitive for the niche, and generative. What does that mean? Generative engine optimized. Generative engine optimized title and headlines and description. Now we're gonna wait a second. It's gonna go through our whole app. We have Superbase here. I don't think we need Superbase for our website because we are not going to do website at the moment, at least for today. We will be linking this Superbase back to the website, so we will have a unified login, so people can actually use our app, and if they want to check it in the website, they can come to the website and they can log in with the same credentials. Now let's just wait for 2 more minutes. I'm going to create like 50 to 100 blocks, and I'm gonna paste it so hard that within like 2-3 weeks we're going to be way up higher in the SEO game and as well as the geo game. Geo game is the new thing. I want to list my app or our app in such a way that even a construction company or somebody who is in the construction field go to Perplexity, go to Google Gemini, go to ChatGPT and ask it, what is the best construction company AI assistant ecosystem, and it has to come up like Site C. It has to come up, there is a new software like Site C which you can directly link blah blah blah, and it's only that much money. I don't know about the money part, but at least for us, for the first 100 customers, we are not going to charge much until our MVP is ready. MVP is ready, but until it's a very good production sized app, it's taking a bit of time. We have created the whole 3 blog post. Now we're going to just copy it from here. Right, post 3, and then we're going to go to Claude and say please update these 3 posts along with pictures which are relevant, make it SEO optimized and geo optimized as well. And once we do that, our Site C should have the blog post ready. At the moment, blog is coming back to the main page. About is also coming back to the main page. So this is an update that you should know. It's pretty funny. You can't actually use AI without knowing what you are using, right? So here, when I connected my website to Claude Code and told it to change from the hosting MCP, it changed it, but it changed the entire website. It didn't actually use WordPress. Instead, it created a static HTML page, and hence I cannot use WordPress again. So the site actually crashed, and I had to call the hosting support team. And I am telling you guys, Cloudflare is there, Namecheap is there. All of these services are having better, cheaper or affordable pricing than Hostinger, but Hostinger have a great service. Like, their customer service and support team is phenomenally good, and they were so kind, and a detailed explanation was given to every problem that I had occurred. And also I asked so much of random questions so that I don't get bugs in the next phase or in the future. So yeah, I think it's worth your buck to invest in Hostinger over any other cheaper domain services. But that's just my opinion. Take it or leave it. So that's a wrap for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog. And I'm just going to give you a couple more advice or something like that. This is not the right way to actually do the setup. It would be after like 4 or 5 days. I will give you a better setup to actually connect Claude Code and Hostinger together. You need to actually use one more service in between. So in order to know that service, follow me and keep updated on the new AI revolution. Adios.